This turntable was the heart of the roundhouse. At its peak, this shop serviced over 100 steam locomotives a day, each of which needed 2 spins in the turntable, one to get in and one to get out. The 100-foot turntable was built in 1924 and is powered by 2 electric motors, one on each end. It's much simpler to drive one of these than a steam locomotive, with just a throttle and a brake. Lining up the rails is crucial to keeping trains on the track. A slight misalignment could cause a minor derailment, trapping locomotives in or out of the roundhouse until the locomotive is re-railed. Not securing a steam locomotive parked near the turntable could have disastrous consequences. Oops.